Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use distance2 with what3words. Distance2 is a quite simple web tool designed to measure distance between any two or more spots on the planet. Now, if you go to distance.to on your web browser, you'll see the main interface. It's fairly straightforward. You have the map in the middle and you have the start and destination bar on the top left. Now, to measure distances using what3words, you can enter a 3-word address in these bars. I'm going to enter filled, count, soap on the start bar, and index, home, raft on the destination bar. And once you've done that, you can click on calculate the distance button. Once you click it, it calculates the distance between the two spots you just gave. So on the right side of the screen, you see that the distance between these two spots are 0.56 kilometers. You can also add more spots as well, so you can measure the distance between 3, 4, 5, maybe more spots. And you can do that by clicking on the small plus button next to the text bars. That's pretty much it, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.